Welcome to Ice Cream Shades Hair Colour from MHDPro. This collection teaches you how to create fashionable pastel ice cream shades that have become a highly requested salon service. On completion, you can download an exclusive CPD Certificate of Recognition. In Lesson 1, Andrea Bennett demonstrates the popular ice cream shades through an intricate placement of fused and interlocked multicoloured pastel shades against a pastel beige base. Bruno Elorrioroz continues in Lesson 2 with a multi-dimensional melted balayage tutorial that provides essential advice on colour range, triangular placement and saturation. Lesson 3's Steel and Pastel Pigments tutorial by Andreas Kurkowitz will teach you how to combine your ice cream shades to accentuate the internal shape of a haircut. In Lesson 4, Tracy Hayes demonstrates a 3-tier colour application that will show you how the strategic placement of shade can emphasise a modern graduated haircut. And finally, in Lesson 5, Dixon takes ice cream shades to a deeper level in her Pure Tone hair colour tutorial. She uses a quintessentially classic technique to teach you a creative interpretation of the ice cream shades trend. Use our see, do, stop, check method to practice, develop and master the skills delivered in the Ice Cream Shades hair colour collection. Complete this online course and receive an exclusive CPD Certificate of Recognition. Buy the Ice Cream Shades Hair Colour Collection now, only on MHDPro.com. MHDPro, learning at any pace, any place, any time.